Hi, I'm Emma, and I just want to give a huge shout out to Dr. Dee. To say she is amazing is an understatement. She is a woman with many, many talents who has helped myself and my whole family with all different issues, ranging from sports injuries, sore backs. My son had terrible growing pains in his leg, which she's helped with. My daughter suffered a bit of separation anxiety for going to kindy, and after doing some homeopathic appointments with Dee, she doesn't have that anxiety anymore, which is amazing. You don't realize how hard it can be until you start dealing with those sorts of things. And Dee's just always been amazing, a great listener, so helpful, so suggestive with things, which has been really helpful in us getting through our hectic, busy lives. Since being a client of Dee's, I've seen the up and coming retreats she's had and yoga workshops, and I have been to several yoga sessions down on the beach and with the gong, and it's like you radiate energy walking away from it. I don't even know how else to explain it. I just feel so refreshed and alive afterwards, and it just gives you that instant boost. We've had moments where I think just about everyone's cried in the session circle, kind of, letting go of our fears or our biggest, our biggest issues that we have at present. And it's just such an energetic session that, you just walk away feeling so refreshed and amazing. I highly recommend her yoga sessions. I've also now been to 2 of Dee's retreats, which again, it brings out these things that you don't realize about yourself, or things that you've maybe kind of pushed away, or you've been too busy in life, and it's more about you realizing who you are, growing as a person. There have been many moments that I've had at those retreats that I've been to where it's been such an eye-opener that I haven't realized I've been stopping myself from either being me or being the best me that I want to be. And those sessions have definitely been an eye-opener for that. Great techniques. I've walked away with how to deal with stress, simple breathing techniques, even in the yoga sessions like that I do now in the shower of a morning, and it makes me feel so much better for the day, so much more refreshed and energized. And Dee's just a wealth of knowledge. Like, any issue I have with her, I'll be at a session and I'll be like, oh, something's going on, and she's like, oh, have you tried this, or this herb, this tea, and you're just like, oh, and you give it a go, and lo and behold, it works. It's amazing. So I highly recommend Dr. Dee. I don't think I'd be where I am right now if it wasn't for her. So go and check out her retreats. Go to a yoga gong session. If you've got any health issues, go and see her for a homeopathic appointment. My whole family goes to Dee, and I wouldn't have it any other way. She has definitely helped us immensely. Thank you, Dee. Bye.